Now, good morning, class. Your class is 7, subject math, chapter 2, fraction and decimal. The date of 18th May 2020. 18th May 2020. Now we are starting chapter decimal. Now we have to explain to you chapter decimal. You have already learned about decimal number in earlier class, means in class 6. Now today fraction with denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc. are known as decimal fraction. Fraction with denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc. are known as decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. If the number are written using decimal point, then they are called decimal number. Like, for example, they are write 2.5, 4.9, 39.2, etc. These are decimal number. Observe the following. I will given the some table. In first phrase, fraction and decimal here. Like this. First, 6/10, 6/10. Like fraction is 6/10. Their decimal point 0.6. 500. Now go second things. 500. Hundreds. So we will write 5/100. In decimal number is 0.05. Now go 1000. So 278. Is it here? 200. 78 thousands. Thousand. means in fractional format 278 by 1000. Their answer will come 0.278. After decimal we will read in digit wise of the decimal number. Everywhere after decimal we are reading in digit wise. Understood, student? So the decimal number based on number 10 contain a decimal point. That is the decimal number. Now types of decimal. First, like decimal. Like decimal having same number of decimal place are called decimal like decimal. For example, decimal having same number of decimal digit are called like decimal. For example, suppose 2.5102. So first one, second one 0.3251 means after decimal 4 digit number is there. So here also 4 number is there. If 1.1, 1.1, 2, 3, 5, these are also like decimal. Another way, some more like decimal are there. Suppose 248.0123 means all the decimal number are like decimal, those having after decimal sign same number of digit. So these are like decimal. Unlike decimal are, this is the like decimal. Here unlike decimal. Unlike decimal is equal to those decimal having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimal. Decimal having the different number of decimal digit, like for example 2.5, 0.123, 14.36, etc. These decimal number are different digits of after decimal line. So now I will explain to you. Suppose is given 18.972. After decimal we will read in digit wise. So here is 1 is tens place, that is tens place. This is ones place, ones. Then is 9 is 1 by 10, that is 10th place. Now 7, that is 1 by 100, that is 100th place. 100th place. Now 2 is 1000 place. So we will write 1 by 1000, that is thousands. Thousand place. So students, you will revise in decimal and like decimal and unlike decimal. I will explain to you next class comparing decimal of number in decimal chapter. Thank you, class.